getting up so early, so at 5:30 I thought it was 8 o'clock and I thought I overslept. I woke up and I'm like, oh my gosh, it's only 5:30. Actually, sometimes my frother froths too much and it does this. So I'm just gonna wait a second and I'm gonna set up for breakfast. I am going to make some short ribs. I've already seasoned the meat. I'm going to turn this on. And I think we should make a matcha. Or you know what? More like a cafecito. Let's make a cafecito. Also, it's quicker. So I got home from Pilates and I literally cleaned my entire house, mopped, swept, and started on the laundry. I seasoned my short ribs and now I'm gonna throw them in the pan. Today's my favorite kind of day because after I go ahead and clean my entire house and then take a shower, I feel so absolutely productive, energized, and ready to tackle on whatever else in a very calm. I literally turned on all my candles and just a calm environment. So I'm thinking to use Miami espresso. Not thinking, I will. I'm browning first. I just want to get it nice and toasty. Oh. First batch is done, a little crispy, but that'll come off in the braise. That's it. We just want to brown it. Now we just let it come to a simmer, and I added cornstarch instead of flour because I was too lazy to go get my flour, and my cornstarch is easy access. Once this comes to a simmer, I'm gonna cover it with some aluminum foil because like this is tight, but some moisture always escapes. So I want to create a gravy, so I need enough liquid, and I'm gonna do that by trapping some of it with tin foil. And then that's it. We wait for 2 to 3 hours. At the 2-hour mark, I'll check it, since these aren't, not all of them have bones. And so when it's like that, and they're different sizes, so when it's like that, sometimes you don't have to wait for the 3 hour. I'm also used to throwing in the flour at the end to make the gravy. So if this was too much, I used a teaspoon because I'm a little worried about throwing it in before. But I did it this time. Let's see how the gravy turns out, and then afterwards, if we need a little more, then we do. We are now simmering, so I'm gonna clean this up. And then I'm going to toss it in the oven. The oven is already set at 350. Bye-bye. We're back. I'm a little nervous because this is the first one I don't do with red wine because we have a little acid reflux in the house. Usually I do heavy cream, but I'm doing half and half to save us on some calories. I know obviously this isn't low cal with my butter and my cream cheese, but you know, we just have to make sure the Parmesan dissolves, because if my husband can tell it has Parmesan, he doesn't like it. But yet if we go to a restaurant and they have Parmesan mac and cheese, he'll get it. The math ain't mathin'. So brought out the Ballerina Farms chocolate chip cookies that we're going to bake off. Wait. We're gonna do 8 minutes first.
I just really wanted to do that.